This is the HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can turn on the speaker while on call on this device. First of all, let me just go ahead and quickly dial somebody. And once on call, simply tap on this little icon over here. Let me actually enter the number that will not be a real one for sure.
Połączenie nie może być technicznym.
And as you could have just heard, that will essentially mean that you have successfully activated the speaker during the phone call on this device. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.